Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the command prompt to actually change to a share directory in another device. So let's say I have a share map here. If I go to my C drive, and I have a share folder I've created on this device called the C01. And if I go to the properties of this share drive, this share map, you're going to see that the map is being shared as C01 share. And for this training, this test environment, so I gave everyone the full authentication permission to this share folder. But if you are working in a company or in a domain environment, probably you want to give a security group access to this drive and not everyone, because right now everyone will have access to this share folder. But if you think is a folder, is a file which you want everyone to have access to, you can as well grant every authenticated users share to that file. So here I'm going to connect from the C03. So if I try to do the CD, that is change drive, I can do change drive and change to a different drive. Let me just go to directory and I can change to Kelvin from here. You see access is denied. I can change to public from here. You can see right now I'm in the public folder. But if I try to change to that network share, which is C01, and then the folder name is share. So I'm going to receive a message says the CMD does not support UNC path as current directories. But the only way I can connect using to this drive, to this share folder, is to use a command called the push D and then C01 and then share. So if I do that, what happens is right now I'm connected to that folder. So you can see I have some folder, some file in that folder, Kelvin Lotte private. If I go to my C01 here and I open that file, you can see these are all what I have, and it's also showing me the same. So but let me show you what happened. A map drive has been created in my in my folder, in my Windows folder. If I go to this computer, and here you can see that a shared drive has been temporarily created. So this is actually temporarily created. But let me just give you another example again. If I decided to create a network share, let me just use the net use and use the F and then say I decide to create C01 and it's going to be share. So the command has been completed successfully. So right now I'm using this net use to actually map that share drive to my computer. So here we can see right now we have two mapped share drive. So the first one is the one which I use the push D to actually connect to my to my to my to my to that share folder, and the other one is which I use the net use. But mind you, if I restart this device, this is going to disappear and this one will remain. So this one is actually going to start automatically, while this is just temporarily. And if, because I use the push D, because I'm just like using the C change directory, but it actually mapped the share drive temporarily, and this will be removed. This will be removed from my device. Okay, what I'm going to do just to show you that it's really going to happen. Let me just try to log off from this device. I'm going to sign out and then try to sign in again. So I'm going to sign into this device again and click enter. So I'm being signed in right now. So after restarting my device, when I go to File Explorer, so let me just start File Explorer and I go to this PC. Here you can see that the map that was mapped to my device, or the share drive that was mapped to my device using the push D, has been removed. Only the share drive which I use the net use to map is still there. So instead of using the CD command to actually go to a share drive, you can just use the push D. I think that will be more better. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video, and also give me a thumb up for taking my time to create this video. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.